fiber laser welding machine, Reci, installation, and use. Connect power cable on cabinet. Connect power cable to factory.
Connect the wire feeder power cable to cabinet. Connect the power cable and control cable on wire feeder. Connect the wire control cable on cabinet. Connect the protect gas to cabinet. Connect the clamp cable on cabinet. Install the weld wire feeder and put wire in feeder. And install wire part on gun. Install nozzle on gun. Power on machine and feeder. Change to auto mode and make wire out to gun. Set welding parameter. Push in laser and set feeder speed. Push button on done. Start welding.